Hello doctors on factmedicine.com. Today we are going to discuss 25 tips for doctors to be better leaders. Encourage creativity and innovation. Listen and communicate effectively. Keep a positive attitude. Always give motivations. Get your team involved and let them to contribute. Always show caring and empathy and take care about the details. Appreciate extra efforts and offer extra rewards. Help the younger generations to be future leaders. Be honest and transparent with your team members. Teach instead of giving orders. Set clear goals and expectations. Get feedback from your team members. Be open for advice. Be a role model and act as a leader. Trust your team and earn their trust. Learn from the past. Celebrate small achievements. Take responsibility and admit when you are wrong. Make sure to understand the capabilities of each member in your team. It is not only about you. Give the credit of success for everyone involved. Set high standards for yourself and the others. There is always a room for improvement. Be flexible and adaptable. Be fair to everyone. Ask the right question to the right person. If you don't feel confident about your leadership skills, no worry, you can acquire it. Just know your leadership style and start developing it. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please click like and subscribe to our channel.